Shalabhasana, the locust posture. Come lie with your abdomen on the floor. Stretch your body and slowly place one and the other hands either with palms straight or in fist below the psoas muscle. With an inhale, engage the legs and slowly raise the legs together. See that the back part of your body is activated, but the neck and the spine remains on the ground, relaxed. Keep it for a few breaths. And after, with an exhale, slowly bring the legs back to the ground. You can do a modification, especially for senior people. You can raise one leg, keep it for a few breaths, and after the other leg. You can also do a more advanced variation where you bend one knee and you place the other knee to the feet. You can keep your hands either as in the previous asana, or you can bring your palms next to your chest. And you can do one version where you stretch your arms to the front and at the same time you're raising your arms and your legs. Or you can interlace the hands behind your sacrum as well. In general, we keep this posture for 20-30 seconds at least, or for 8-14 breaths approximately. It's quite important that in each asana session you have asanas which strengthen the back part of the body, because usually our back part of the body is not very strong. After the back bend, it feels good to rest in child pose or to make a mild twist.